how to manage ShowLink preview on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ShowLink preview on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here, and now click this one, not this one, not this, go back and click this one, chat, click on it, and then just click if you want to turn off ShowLink preview, just click here, and as you see ShowLink preview has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how manage ShowLink preview on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.